Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing the concrete cap on top of this chimney and grinding out about 16 inches down or so. To repoint everything. So what we're going to be doing is demoing out the very top of it where there's a concrete cap that allows water to run off the chimney and away from it. We're going to cut into that, completely demo it out, add rebar and some steel strength to it, and pour a whole new concrete cap on top of that. Once we're finished there, we'll start grinding out from the top. Hopefully start repointing in today. And get him practically a brand new chimney.